Oh my god!
Hi, welcome back to Lonnie's World, and today we're going to be doing Extreme Chemistry Lab. Probably won't need those. Let's put this down. Pull everything out. Your instructions and here. Cool. It came with open. It came with a poster. I can put right here for now. And the chemistry set itself. This is the base. And these are all the things that we're going to need. Blue paint, dropper, right there, baking soda, calcium chloride, brown, sodium alginate, tanninic acid, limestone, a spoon, popsicle sticks, and stickers. Okay, so in the first experiment that I'm going to do is the bubbling experiment. And in the bubbling experiment, what you're going to need is vinegar, baking soda, a pipette, a spoon, and a test tube. Okay, so following the instructions, first I am going to cut a little corner of the baking soda packet so I can have a spoonful of baking soda. Pouring that in there slowly. Quite a spoonful. Alright. Now, you take one of your test tubes, open it, and then slowly pour it in there. Make sure to have your surface covered or have a little tray like how I have right here, so you won't make too big of this. Slowly pour it in there. Anyway, we're going to just put down your test tube. Make sure you put the lid on it first before you put down your test tube. And then you grab your vinegar. Don't need this much, only a little bit. The fresh smell of vinegar. Make sure to have a plastic cup on hand too for this part. Alright, so then you take your pipette and get some vinegar. Then you open back up your test tube and then slowly pour some of the vinegar in there. It's rising. I thought that this was going to overflow over my hands. Surprisingly, it did not. And it's probably about how much vinegar I added in here with the baking soda. And that concludes this bubbling experiment. Okay, in this second experiment that I'm going to do, it's the same like the first one, but it involves fish soup. So first I'm going to start off with our vinegar and pour it into our test tube. Now I'm going to take some dish soap and put a drop in there. So now you're going to get 1 spoonful of baking soda and pour it in there. You can take a funnel to help you pour in the baking soda, which I should have done the first time. Make sure that it's on the test tube and slowly pour it in there. And the reaction is a little bit different than our first reaction. Maybe because it was the soap or how I did the steps a little bit backwards. See how it's bubbling a little bit more than our last one. And when you're done, you can put the little lid on top. And that concludes our second experiment. Experiment 3, there will be no vinegar, but 2 milliliters of water, baking soda, and tartaric acid. So I'm going to open up a clean test tube and put it in the holder. Put the lid on the side And we're going to need 1 spoonful of baking soda. And pour it inside of our tube. Alright. Slowly pour it in there. There we go. Then you're going to take your titanic acid, put a little bit in the corner, and pour in a spoonful. And then you're supposed to mix this up. I'm going to put on the lid and shake it. Make sure to shake it well so it can mix in completely. And it looks like it is. Open it back up. And then add in the 2 milliliters of water. And this is the reaction you get when you mix baking soda, titanic acid, and water together. It reacted it reacted a little bit faster than our first 2 that we did. And the first 2 that we did right here, as you can see, if you remember, they didn't really react as fast as this one. Oh my god!
No more lids, okay? No more lids.
I thought it was going to react.
Where'd it go?
It went under here. Oh!
As long as you don't get hurt,
You still recording?
and obviously we need to get you goggles.
Purple shot. That's the money shot.
Just don't put the lid on it at all, except when it's not reacting, because you don't know when it might fly off like it did this the first time. Oh, oh boy. Why did I put it back on? No.
Yeah, leave the lid off. Just leave the lid off. I think
Did see that coming?
I
Explosion happened.
did not see that coming at all.
Yeah.
Carbon dioxide. That's what happens when it's concealed. Well, I didn't want to get an eye poked out. Okay, so that's what happens when you think that it finished reacting and you close it in an airtight tube. But no, it starts to explode again. And that concludes experiment number 3. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. And hit the so you will know when I make a new video. Thanks for watching. Bye.